Hello, my name is Michael Tonis, and I will be your instructor for this Blender Interface Basics video. We will be looking at the default model screen, navigating the 3D window with the middle mouse button, default objects, and selecting objects with the right mouse button. Let's take a look at the default model screen. When you first open Blender, this is what you get, the default model screen. It is made up of two sub-windows, the Buttons window and the 3D window, which is this upper window which has a grid in it and some default objects. You can rotate the 3D view with the middle mouse button. If you click and hold your middle mouse inside this window and then drag, you can rotate this 3D view, and you will see that we have left the second dimension and entered the third dimension. You can dolly the 3D view with Control plus the middle mouse button. Hold the Control key as a modifier and click and hold the middle mouse button to dolly in on your 3D view. You can also dolly the 3D view with your middle mouse scroll wheel. If you have a scroll wheel on your middle mouse, you can roll the scroll wheel back and forth to dolly in and out, or forward and backwards. Pan the 3D view with Shift plus middle mouse button. Hold the Shift key as a modifier, click and hold the middle mouse button, and we can pan up and down and right and left in our 3D view. Now let's take a look at the default objects and selecting objects. This is a default cube which comes with the default Blender screen, and this is the default lamp, and if I right click on that will be selected. And this is the default camera, and again right click to select. And once again the default cube, the default lamp, and the default camera. Right click to select.